The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the two Phillips head screws securing the footwell ceiling. Remove the footwell ceiling panel.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.
To remove the filter housing door, unclip the plastic securing frame by pushing the right one towards the front of the vehicle and the left towards the back of the vehicle. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Install the filters with the recessed bump on the bottom and the airflow arrow pointing left. The more curved filter goes in the right housing slot and the square one goes in the left. Reinstall the filter housing doors by sliding the securing plastic locks back onto the tabs. Reinstall the footwell panel. Reinstall the screws.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.